Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Growing with the Gold. Thank you for joining us today. We're really feeling excited, but also a little melancholy. This is our last big install for the summer. We're getting the last of our summer crops kind of set and ready to go. This is our last big install. Love this type of project. This is going to be a lot of fun. We put in some beds here, 4x8 beds, filled them with the Royal Gold potting mix. Nice, versatile, easy to use blend that's going to really appeal to the wide variety of crops that we're going to plant in these beds. And then we dropped these cattle fencing pieces as archways here in the middle. You can see we got a panel here, another panel here. They're joined in the center. What we're going to do is we're going to plant all sorts of various squash, cucumbers, gourds, things like that along the outside. So those things will wind up, run through the fencing, and we'll get all sorts of cool fruit dangling down through this archway so we can come through and harvest from underneath. It's going to be a really fun project in the heat of the summer. These are so cool to walk underneath. You got that cool shade, usually a nice breeze, cooled down by all the nice soft leaves. So we're really excited about this project. We think it's going to come together really nicely. We're going to get all these different cucumbers and squashes and things planted. Let's check it out. So over on this side, we have some suyo long. These are a nice long cucumber. We're really excited about these. And over on the other side here, we have sweet mama squash. These are kind of like a smaller individual serving butternut style. Going to be a great variety of squash to feed our team all season long. All right, we got all of our squash, cucumbers, gourds, all these beautiful varieties, mostly from Baker Creek. Thank you, Baker Creek. Planted in these beds with the archways. We're gonna make use of the rest of the bed for some spinach and some lettuce in the short term, and we'll get some other summer crops in the bed. We'll keep you updated along the way. Thanks so much for joining us on Growing with the Gold to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening.